Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Steve. For the new subscribers and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Let God bless you as you continue watching. Today I'm at our compound, very beautiful and green, evergreen. So I have so many things to do. I think you'll see them on the video as you continue watching. And behind the camera I have my personal person. Let him at least have a shout out.
The personal owner is me, Chacha Steve. That's my YouTube channel name also, guys. So I appreciate and I always thank you for always coming to watch my YouTube channels. You know, it's been long before you post a video. At least today our subscribers are going to enjoy from your side. Cindy? Yeah, so keep tuned, guys. So many things are going to be done in this video: harvesting, cooking, weeding, and so forth. Cindy? So keep tuned for more to come. I think it's your channel, Cindy? Yeah, so many subscribers have been asking, where is Steve? Why are you not posting? It's your turn now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually we had a slight
Break.
yeah, a slight mistake, but at least now we are back. And one thing is, now we are sharing a GoPro, so if one is using, one should relax.
Oh,
if one is using,
yo, and actually we failed to say this. Maybe we will be having some limited videos because we are sharing a GoPro. One of our GoPro spoiled. Yeah, it's damaged, totally damaged. We cannot no longer use it.
And our phones are small.
And our phones are small.
Yeah,
they shake.
They can't take videos.
They can take videos, but a lot of shaking will be there.
Kama yangu, it's not clear. Yeah.
We don't want to go to the other mistake that we used to do of shaking videos.
So,
at least we will do with this one.
Yeah, at least we are sharing.
Yeah, we are sharing. Yeah. Sharing is caring.
So when you see Chacha
come, Baba.
posting, know that I have no video. So when you see me posting, know that Chacha still is relaxing.
So that's our second day. We'll be there and with a lot of mamira. Okay. So that's all it is, guys. So keep tuned for more to come from this video. Yeah.
Hapa ishaiva, niwape. I have a surprise.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes. Let's stock up on this.
Surprise!
Wow.
Hey, hapa dole anajua kusema wa. Ona huyu. Wewe unaangusha ujui kushika. Acha ipoe nikupe. Sawa. Acha ipoe ni moto. Sawa. Ulikuwa unataka mahindi? Surprise. Shika uangushe tena. Wacha ipoe. Utaangusha.
Tena niko meza.
Acha ipoe. Mkule.
Okay.
Nyama.
Sino? Salama. Done weeding.
Yeah.
Time for harvesting, guys. Yellow maize for diabetes people.
You're so dry. You're so dry.
Almost rotten. Hey, this one is smart. Like this one. How I wish all could be this. All day road busy.
I heard somebody saying that there is a seed. Yeah. The satisfied ones. Yeah, for these yellow maize.
That you buy?
Yeah.
How much?
I don't know if
Processed or satisfied?
but they are the satisfied seed. No, what? They are almost finishing. Yeah. Okay, mukiando rasokia.
We are winding up. But still, there are so many things. Can you imagine like this is a harvest? Daddy.
Ona uko na nikadudu.
Hi.
Nitole hizo dudu.
Hi, Darren.
Ambie hi daddy. Nitole dudu. Nimaliza eti.
Yeah, I'm almost winding up.
Meisha.
Isha. Darren, tufanye Isha. Isha.
Haumemo kwa hoteli.
So, these are our harvest. Another ones are here. This one will be enough.
Yeah. Twende kwetu.
Baba, kuja hapa. Hey. Congratulations. Bebe, bebe. Kuja nikubebe sasa tuende. Chinese is healthy. The Chinese, you know, I planted it on a nini, babe. You recall? Here was a cow dung. See now how healthy is it? Yeah. Ah, tauri nguto hawa. Are you tired?
Hey.
Where?
You think
That's small. That's small. Hey. The maize is drying up. I just want to go and release my chicks.
Let me pour this for this man. You see hivi zimekauka zishaanza kuparuka. Hizi nitatoa na mkono. Nitaparua na mkono afu nione. Kwa zile sina kazi.
Kama zewe zako.
Daddy.
Ndio umekuja na yako. Ala.
Papa.
Gari ni amekuja na yake, si ndio? Sawa hapa. Chukua mkono. Shika. Nakula meza. Haya, shika chai. Tukae tukunywe. Nyam 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 nyam.
Baby darling, I love you. Haya, ndio tukae hapa tukunywe. Si unajua place yetu ya kukaa? Sit down. Sema sit down. Sit down. So you know how we do it? You know how we do it? You know? Haya, toa mkono. We chovya then we eat. And me. Haya. Kunywa. Alafu hivi. Tena memeza. Memeza haya. Na mimi? Na mimi? Sema needs to eat much. So this is the grass. Baba. Welcome to our chicken. This is our second batch of chicks. Hey, they are very hungry. See?
They also know. They are so young.
They are very hungry. They are overcrowding at one place. So we need to buy more feeders. I need like 2 extra feeders. There. You see?
Yeah. Here now the conquered ones.
The conquerors. They want to penetrate.
Eh.
Not their time to feed, yeah. Their feeding is outside. So, you see how they are ducking in this water? I think I should put it in a raised place so that they are hungry. I think these feeders are full there. Should I improvise one? I made one that is improvised. Instead of going to buy, you can use simple tools outside here. Huh? Cindy, I'll show you. Because they are overcrowding, you see? I need to put one feeder there. Or just there. Or even here. I'm going to improvise one. So that they stop overcrowding. You know when they overcrowd, they have a stampede growth. So this water needs to be poured outside. And we fill some water for them because now they are eating and the food is very dry. They need to take.
You know, I'm just seeing how they are jumping over the
Before you buy, you can get money to buy more feeders. You know.
Yeah, the other ones, the bigger ones.
They are peeping.
They are peeping how the small ones are feeding. Na zimetulia. Ziko tu.
So these bigger ones, we made this door now to be used. So this is the door where they will be using to penetrate, to come outside. Come, follow me.
Hey.
This is called the starter of a feed. When there is plenty of maize outside there, they are going to take. So let me just give them appetite so that they rush outside to go there, go and take. So we are giving them some medicine because this one might be conco. I'll put just small in every drinker. You see? So this one it's super trim. Trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole. Hey, I don't know. Dosage administration. So this one is for a powerful antibiotic for poultry and livestock. So for us, we are using it for poultry, and there is also another one here, Ashoxy 20%. So oxygenate tetracycline powder. So broad spectrum antibiotics for the control and treatment for bacterial diseases in poultry and turkey. Antibiotic are large spectrum poor. That one. So we give them for the chicks, guys. So I just put it small here, and the other one here, so that we treat our chicks with it. So for that, I think I'll be mixing it with the water. That concentration is very okay to give our chicks. So first thing I have come to realize with the chicks, the first thing you can do, make sure the house is clean and well ventilated. After from being well ventilated, it's dry. Always, you'll never see diseases in that house. But when the house is very wet, it attracts the diseases. But when it's dry, you'll never see any disease. So I'm coming for that. Let's go in. So we hang it to avoid them wearing it down. So most of these chicks we bought roasters. These ones are roasters. You see, like this one is a roaster. See? And you can notice these things are growing day by day. The day that you brought them, they were very different things, you know, compared to now. And even yesterday you were saying they're not looking the same that like the other ones you brought, you know. But let me give me this month. Let's say this only June. Give me this June. You will see a very big difference. Or just 2 weeks from now. Give me next week and the other week, because I brought them this week. You will see a very big change with these things. So that's how it is, guys. So water is there, and feed us. What? Yeah, like this one. A roaster. These are roaster. The ones you monitor that are having big legs, they are roasters.
How many roasters do you need?
Actually, I took 40. Yeah, I took 40. I'm targeting December market. December market, you know, in December, chicks are being the roasters are being bought for Christmas, holidays, and celebrations. So when you have roasters, you'll be selling even 1,500 each. Can you imagine 40 times 1,500? Let's calculate. So that's an estimate, but we don't know what it will be that. 40 times 1,000?
Even if it's not
60,000.
Even if it's not 15, it can be just 12.
Around 12.
Yeah.
So if it's 15, 60,000. If it's 12, 48,000. You see? Still it's okay. for 40 chicks, and you purchase them around 18,000. You see, it has doubled. When you reduce the cost and the expense, everything, still you'll be having a very big profit.
Around 10.
So are you ending the video, or we are going to take the cabbages first?
Let's go and take the cabbage as we end in the
As
kitchen
we end the
garden.
video there at the kitchen garden.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the on of the channel. Don't say Chacha Steve is overdoing. So you want to harvest
Yeah, I want
our
to
Chinese cabbage?
We're going to take for lunch.
And it's looking very healthy because they planted it in cow dung. This is the cow dung, guys. It's where Justin came and poured it. I planted it on top of it.
And you know, also today the weather is good.
They have not wilted, even though they have started wilting. But they are supposed to be harvested early in the morning, see there?
Yeah, you know, they don't like sun. They need more.
You're not supposed ukinini hivyo inaumia. Unavunjia mbali.
Nkuvunjia ndembe. Ndembe mahambe nkuriri nyani hivyo.
Neraru nyani. That way. That's the best way to harvest. Chalokush explained it in the video. That when you remove it from down, you are creating a scar on that plant. It will take a lot of time to heal. Nange watakutia na hombi.
Ni hansi nera chirore.
It's looking good. It's looking, you know, when you weed during sunny time, at least it doesn't, the weeds doesn't mature very fast. But during rainy season, you just remove there, you leave them germinating, as if you never weeded. I don't think you can get a pest on that is close to the marigold, because there is a pest controller.
Yes, such a Steve.
Yeah. Haya, acha tu iruke. It has reached maturity. Now you stay long before coming to harvest it. You're supposed to be harvesting them early. Guavas.
When you are in the village, you eat there anyhow. Yeah.
Fruits anywhere.
Anywhere.
Okay.
So, thank you guys for watching our videos, plus supporting our families. Let God bless you as you continue watching. It has been a while, but I thank God for everything because we are okay. Though we have some cold flu, but we thank God for that because it's just the weather has changed. Guys, go check Houston Steve, and you like, you share and comment so that we can attain the
the video can be suggested more wide.
Can be suggested
when you like
YouTube.
And you share.
Yeah. So behind the camera, I have my personal person.
Today you are not going to see the personal person. You know him. I think you know that voice. Oh, I'm here, guys.
To our new kitchen garden.
To our
also.
new kitchen garden.
Yeah.
Actually, this is our new kitchen garden. The upper one, it's coming. It's an it's Ayu kitchen garden.
By the way, it's Ayu.
It's Ayu. From up there, this way, this maize is in between. So this is a new kitchen garden.
Yeah, we have the case.
We have the case.
Night black shade.
Black nightshade, not night black shade. Black nightshade.
Oh, black nightshade, night black shade. So
you are laughing at me the once time that I don't know English. Now you see.
No, but me, I did the vice versa.
Nothing like vice versa.
Yeah,
If you don't know, you don't know.
Backshade.
You could continue calling it soy, but I didn't rectify it.
No, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so
Let me just start.
Chacha Steve is my YouTube channel name, guys. Consider subscribing for the new viewers from Justine's channel. Yeah, so from our side, it's been a while Justine has posted, but enjoy this video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You're biting big.
It's so sweet.